Alright, so here's where I melt. First thing, gotta have the fire extinguisher ready. Just showing you guys a quick view of my setup. Got the borax. This is where I melt silver, got some scraps in there. And this is how I set up my map gas and torch. Right here, I do not use a furnace. So then if you come over here, arbor press. I do stamping with this, letter stamping, the hand stamping like my bed on silver stuff. I'll do it right here, and also do punches like these right here. This is 0.99 fine silver. This is one of my stamps, my bet on silver stamps. Can't get a good picture of it, but either way, I use that stamp with this arbor press right here. Here's all my stamps right here. Here's my stuff for making rings and punches. I got another die set right here in case I need it. I paid 40 bucks for this. It's solid steel. Comes in very handy. So next on my work area, I got a mill, which is probably my favorite thing to use right now. You can turn this, which is scrap that I melted together. If you see my other video, you can turn it into this fine sheet of silver, and then I can go ahead and punch it and use it over here, punch it, and then I can create rings or stuff like this. Over here I have my hydraulic press. This is new too. This comes in really handy. I'm still learning how to use it. It's easy to put together, but like anything else, you just got to learn how to work it. It comes in very handy. This right here is for my rings. When I make stuff like this, that's 0.99 fine silver. This is the reducer part. This stretches it. Right here, this is where I do my molds. So I got some flasks, some cylinders right here. When I do molds like this, like Spider-Man, this is Petrobond clay. This is the Delft clay. This is more detailed. You get a more detailed look, but this is way more expensive as well. Right here I got my little jacuzzi. So after I melt, if I want to drop in my molten hot silver, drop it in right here. And just some extra add-ons. Got my radio player with my AC/DC in case I want to jam out. Toolbox with all my molds and stuff like that. Got my TV up here too in case I want to catch a game or listen to YouTube. Got my support the poor emblem that my wife got me. It's really well made. Let's see. And here's where I usually polish. Kind of a little example where I polish stuff right here. Got my light kit in case I really want to do a really good detailed video. Here's my tumbler. We actually got something in it. Let's go ahead and pull that out. This has been baking for a while. red on silver. Got my logo. So skinny bar. Still gotta put some polish on it, clean it up. But that's my tumbler right there. And this is my setup. Got any questions? Just hit me up in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Bye.